Good afternoon. This is Eric Lodney with the Tuesday, December 1st Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up. As we all fawn over the saga of Tiger Woods, a few of us were still in here trading. Dow today closed ahead 127 points, closing at 10,471. NASDAQ closed at 2176, up 31. Volume continued to be relatively light. It was lighter than even was yesterday by many measures, the Tues and the spiders, for instance. But the tape was strong. Big cap leaders, which were so evident yesterday, were actually not there today. Goldman closed off a little bit. JP Morgan was relatively weak. Apple tumbled late in the day, closing on its low. So there were a few signs of trouble beneath the surface, but the broader tape was good. So looking ahead to tomorrow, I see pretty much more of the same based on the track of the dollar, which continues to collapse against the euro. The euro down the dollar was down one more euro today, so keep your eyes on that. Other than that, it's just going to be a relatively quiet day, probably to the upside with a focus on microcaps. A few things to keep an eye on. CAGC closed near a high. AXU closed near a high after announcing positive drill results. RDN closed near a high, up almost 20% today. GES closed near a high after posting good earnings. And WHR closed near a high after being featured on Mad Money last night. On the negative side, Apple, which I just discussed a minute ago, sold off late in the day due to a rumor of margin pressure for its iPhone. TRIT and Seed closed near a low amid an island reversal, and PLX closed near a low following an announcement of its deal with Pfizer. Earnings calendar is sparse, nothing out in the morning. ARO, PSS, and Synopsys SMPS after the bell tomorrow. With that, I wish all of you a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.